Hello, this is Chris Roshna, 24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up. Today we're unboxing the Skross or Skross wireless charging plate. This is the Wireless Charger 10. It's for QI-enabled wireless charging devices. So this is the plate right here. Has a nice non-skid surface. It's very thin and very light. It offers an output at 5 volts, 1 amp, or 9 volts at 1.1 amp. And it comes with a USB-A to USB micro USB cable right there. And then the port for charging it is right here. This is the USB type micro USB port. And they also give you some instructions right here as well. But basically you set your device, your phone, or whatever you have that's QI enabled, and it will charge it. This is Chris Roshna, 24K on Twitter. Thanks.